Hey foodie, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this pillowy soft potato bread at home. I'm going to mix all my wet ingredients and I'm going to give them a good stir. I'm going to be using the star of our dish, our Ayoola potato flour, and I'm going to be adding this into my batter. I'm going to be adding some flour and I'm going to knead until it forms a dough. I'll knead this for 5 minutes and I'll cut it into smaller shapes. Then I will form it into a ball. I'm not going to be using an oven for this recipe. I'll be baking this in my pot, so I'll just cover this for 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is what it looks like. I'll apply some egg wash and I'll place it in my pot and I will bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what I have. My soft pillowy potato bread is ready. Don't you just like how it looks? You should try this recipe using Ayoola potato flour. Bye!